नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, गेल्या वर्षी आपण सरळ व्याजाचा अभ्यास केला. We have learned the formula for finding the interest, that is I is equal to PNR upon 100. Here I is simple interest, P is principal, N is number of years, मराठीत त्याला म्हणणार मुदत, R is rate of interest. By using this formula I is equal to PNR upon 100, we can calculate simple interest. Today we are going to study about compound interest, our 14th chapter, compound interest. What is meant by compound interest? Bank calculates the interest after each year and it is expected that the interest should be paid by the borrower every year. बँक प्रत्येक वर्षाच्या शेवटी व्याज आकारणी करते आणि दरवर्षी कर्जदाराने ही व्याजाची रक्कम बँकेत भरावी अशी अपेक्षा असते. If the borrower fails to pay the interest for 1 year, then the bank consider the principal and the interest of the first year together as the loan for the second year. जर कर्जदाराने पहिल्या वर्षानंतर व्याज दिलं नाही तर बँक दुसऱ्या वर्षासाठी मुद्दल व पहिल्या वर्षाचं व्याज मिळून होणारी रक्कम कर्ज आहे असं मानते. Thus for second year the interest is calculated on the amount formed by principal of first year together with its interest. आणि म्हणून दुसऱ्या वर्षासाठीचं मुद्दल म्हणजे काय आहे? पहिल्या वर्षाचं मुद्दल अधिक पहिल्या वर्षासाठी आकारलं गेलेलं व्याज. That is for second year the principal for charging interest is the amount of the first year. The interest charged by this method is called as compound interest. अशा प्रकारे दुसऱ्या वर्षाची व्याज आकारणी करताना मुद्दलाची रक्कम ही पहिल्या वर्षाच्या राशी एवढी असते आणि अशा पद्धतीचं जे व्याज घेतलं जातं, या प्रकारची जी व्याज आकारणी केली जाते त्याला चक्रवाढ व्याज असं म्हणतात. To calculate the amount by compound interest, we have to use the formula A is equal to P into bracket 1 plus R upon 100 bracket raised to N. Here A is amount, P is principal, R is rate of interest, and N is number of years. A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 bracket raised to N. हे आहे आपलं चक्रवाढ व्याजाने रास काढण्यासाठीचं सूत्र. To find the amount by compound interest, we have to use this formula. A amount म्हणजे रास, P principal म्हणजे मुद्दल, R rate of interest म्हणजे व्याजाचा दर, N number of years म्हणजे मुदत. We can calculate compound interest by using the formula compound interest is equal to A minus P, amount minus principal, A minus P. By using this formula, we can calculate the compound interest. So please remember this formula. A is equal to P into bracket 1 plus R upon 100 bracket raised to N, and compound interest is equal to A minus P. Now we are going to solve the examples from practice set 14.1. Question number first. Find the amount and the compound interest. The first sub question. Here principal is given. P is equal to rupees 2000. R is equal to 5 PCPA per sectum per annum. N is equal to 2 years. We have to find out compound interest and amount. We have to find out amount and compound interest. First, write down the formula to calculate amount. A is equal to P into bracket 1 plus R upon 100 bracket raised to N. Put down the values. Therefore, A is equal to 2000 into bracket 1 plus 5 upon 100 bracket square. Calculate. A is equal to 2000 into bracket 1 plus 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 0, 1 upon 20 bracket square. Therefore, A is equal to 2000 into bracket 20 plus 1 upon 20. काय केलं या ठिकाणी आपण छेद सारखा केला, बेरीज करायची आहे. इकडे याचा छेद 1 आहे, छेद समान केला. Therefore, A is equal to 2000 into 21 upon 20 into 21 upon 20. 0 0 कॅन्सल झाले. दोनाचा भाग द्यायचा आहे. बे एक बे, बे 10 20, बे एक बे, बे पंचे 10. काय आलं या ठिकाणी आपलं? Therefore, A is equal to 5 into 21 into 21. Therefore, A is equal to 21 चा वर्ग 21 into 21 441 into 5. Carry out the multiplication and write down the answer. 2205 rupees. This is our amount. We have to find out compound interest. So, compound interest is equal to A minus P, that is equal to 2205 minus 2000. Therefore, compound interest is equal to rupees 205. Sub question 3. Here principal is given. P is equal to rupees 4000. R is equal to 7.5 PCPA and N is equal to 2 years. We have to find out amount and compound interest. Write down the formula. A is equal to P into bracket 1 plus R upon 100 bracket raised to n. Put down the values. A is equal to 4000 into bracket 1 plus 7.5 upon 100 bracket square. Therefore, A is equal to 4000 into bracket 1 plus. We have to remove this point. हे दशांश चिन्ह जे आहे हे आपल्याला काढून टाकायचं आहे आणि हे काढण्यासाठी याला 10ने गुणावं लागणार आहे आणि म्हणून मग 7.5 गुणिले 10 छेद 100 गुणिले 10. अंशाला जर एका संख्येने गुणतोय तर त्याच संख्येने छेदाला गुणलं म्हणजे त्याची किंमत बदलत नाही आणि म्हणून दोघांना अंश आणि छेद दोघांना 10ने गुणलं आपण ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर. Therefore, A is equal to 4000 into bracket 1 plus 7.5 multiplied by 10. हा जो दशांश चिन्ह आहे हे एक घर पुढे सरकेल म्हणजे 5च्या पुढे ते दशांश चिन्ह येईल म्हणजे हे झाले 75 अपॉन 100 into 10 1000 1000 झाले ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर. Therefore, A is equal to 4000 into bracket 1 plus भाग द्यायचा आहे 25 त्रिक 75 25 चौक 100 25 शून्य 0 3 upon 40 bracket square. Therefore, A is equal to 4000 into bracket. या ठिकाणी आता याचा छेद 1 आहे याचा 40 आहे. दोघांची बेरीज करायची म्हटली तर दोघांचा छेद कसा पाहिजे सारखा पाहिजे म्हणून पहिल्या संख्येला अंश आणि छेद दोघांना 40ने गुणलं मग हे झाले 40 अधिक 3 छेद सारखा झाला म्हणून तो एकत्र लिहिला छेद 40 कंसाचा वर्ग. Therefore, A is equal to 4000 into bracket 43 upon 40 bracket square. Therefore, A is equal to 4000 into 43 upon 40 into 43 upon 40. 0 0 कॅन्सल केले 4चा भाग गेला 4 1 4 4 1 4 4 0 0. Therefore, A is equal to 43 into 43 into 10 upon 4. Therefore, A is equal to carry out the multiplication 43चा वर्ग 1849 गुणिले 10 म्हणजे हे 0 ठेवलं आपण छेद 4 4ने याला भाग द्यायचा आहे that is equal to 18,490 upon 4. 4 1 जा 4 4 4 जा 16 4 1 जा 4 4 2 जा 8 4 5 जा 4 2 जा 8 1 4 2 जा 8 4 5 जा 10. Answer is A is equal to 4122.50. This is our amount. We have to find out compound interest. So compound interest is equal to A minus P, that is 4122.50 minus 4000, that is equal to 122.50. This is the compound interest.